chocolate swirl no-bake cheesecake, and it is absolutely fantastic. So here's the thing. This recipe is a bit of a cheat. I am using a pre-baked, or I blind baked a ready-made pie crust. You can make your own crust. I like to keep things simple, and there's nothing wrong with this at all. And for this, if you can operate a mixer, you can certainly make this recipe. So let's get the show on the road. First things first, I'm gonna take two 250 gram packs of cream cheese, throw them in my mixer. It's all about mixing, nothing else. So drop this down along with 1 cup of sugar. It's a cheesecake, live a little. All right, perfect. The next thing to go in is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That will go in. Along with, actually let me stop this, 1/2 cup of sour cream will go in. Give us that tangy cheesecake flavor that we all know and love. So that's gonna go in as well. The next thing is the 1 cup of that Cool Whip topping stuff. Works perfect in this recipe as well. So this is all about combining, basically. The kicker, and keeps everything together, 1 vanilla pudding pack. This will go in there as well, and you're just gonna pour this in the dry mix, and 1 cup of milk. That's it for the actual cheesecake portion of this. So lock and load. Slowly bring this up because you've got wet ingredients, you've got the milk in there now. So you want to just kind of slowly mix this in, but you don't want to have everything just kind of splashing around. That's no good. All right, so now my mixing is pretty much done. That's it for the mixing part of my cheesecake. And again, this is no bake, so all this is gonna do is just sit in the fridge basically for a couple of hours. Pop this in here and you can just see how this is just gonna all fit in here. This is probably the easiest cheesecake you're ever gonna make. This recipe here will totally take the fear out of making cheesecakes because it's an entry-level recipe. Chocolate sauce, you don't need anything more than good chocolate sauce. What am I gonna do? Watch this. Boom, that's it. My cheesecake, my no-bake cheesecake is ready to go. I'm gonna pop this into my fridge, not my oven, my fridge for a couple hours, and then I am good to go. All right, and now the moment of truth. It's been a couple hours or so, and my cheesecake is absolutely perfect. It's firmed up, it's tightened up. Now here's the thing, sorry about the splotches here. It's what happens when you put liquid in a mixer and you put it on too fast. It happens. So, look at this. I absolutely love it. Time to get the show on the road and do what I do best. I'm just gonna cut into this pie or this cheesecake. Oh, if you could only, if you could just sense that. I'm just gonna take a little piece for myself just to try, because you know. Check this out. Look at this. Oh my God. It doesn't get much better than this, my friends. It is so rich, creamy, decadent. You got the chocolate syrup just kind of oozing down. It is so freaking delicious. Please try this. There's no baking involved. If you get one of those pre-done shells especially, boom, you're ready to go. Mix, drop it, cool it off. That's it. So that's it for this episode on my no-bake chocolate swirl cheesecake. Absolutely out of the world, super easy to make. I hope you guys try this. Please share this. You know what? It's so much fun. You can even make it with your kids, whoever you're looking after, whatever. So until next time, I thank you again for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check me out online at kensgreektable.com. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.